Hey there, my broke friend. In today's economy, where inflation seems to be the only thing rising faster than your student loan interest rates, finding a way to make money without a hefty upfront investment is more crucial than ever. But fear not, because we're diving into some of the best business ideas you can start with little to no money. From digital ventures to service-based opportunities, there's something here for every aspiring entrepreneur. Now, here's a question to get those creative gears turning. In a world where traditional job security feels like a distant memory, what passion or skill do you have that could be transformed into a profitable business? Whether it's a knack for social media, a talent for teaching, or a flair for design, your unique abilities could be the key to unlocking financial freedom. Join me as we explore practical and innovative ways to turn your dreams into reality, all while keeping your budget intact. Let's get started on your journey to entrepreneurship on a budget, and who knows, this might just be the beginning of your success story. Chapter 1: Debunking Common Business Models. Let's dive into the world of entrepreneurship without breaking the bank. You're a student, juggling the chaos of classes, assignments, and the occasional existential crisis about your future. You dream of financial freedom, but your wallet seems to have other plans. The internet is full of promises about real estate investing and day trading, but let's be brutally honest, these paths often require significant capital and expertise. For those of us who are broke but ambitious, these options can feel like trying to climb Everest without a rope. Real estate sounds glamorous, but it demands a hefty down payment, ongoing maintenance costs, and the unpredictability of the housing market. Trading, while alluring, requires not just money, but also a deep understanding of market trends and a high tolerance for risk. For students counting pennies between tuition and textbooks, these ventures are more mirage than reality. So, what's the real deal? The key is to find business models that align with your current financial situation, ones that don't require you to mortgage your future for a chance at success. Instead of chasing after these elusive dreams, focus on low-cost business ideas that require little to no capital to start. Think about services you can offer, digital products you can create, or skills you can monetize. Consider starting a tutoring business, offering freelance writing services, or launching a dropshipping store. These options allow you to leverage your existing skills and interests without needing a bank loan or a trust fund. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift needed for entrepreneurship on a budget. It's about being resourceful and creative, finding ways to maximize what you already have. Whether it's using your social media skills to help local businesses or turning your passion for photography into a side hustle, there are countless opportunities for financial freedom for beginners. The journey might not be easy, but it's definitely achievable with determination and a bit of ingenuity. As we explore these accessible business ideas, remember that the road to success doesn't have to be paved with debt and high-risk investments. With the right mindset and a bit of creativity, you can build a successful business from the ground up, even if you're starting with empty pockets. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the best business to start with no money, tailored to your unique situation and aspirations. Chapter 2: Exploring E-commerce. Continuing from where we left off, let's dive into the world of e-commerce, a promising avenue for those looking to start a business with little capital. Previously, we debunked the myths surrounding capital-heavy ventures like real estate and trading, emphasizing the need for accessible business models. Now, let's explore how e-commerce can be the best business to start with no money, especially if you're a broke student with big dreams. E-commerce is like the digital playground of entrepreneurship. The idea of setting up an online store from your laptop while sipping coffee in your pajamas is undeniably appealing. It's the epitome of entrepreneurship on a budget. But as with any adventure, there are challenges lurking beneath the surface. Let's start with dropshipping, a popular choice for those seeking low-cost business ideas. The concept is straightforward. You sell products without holding inventory. It sounds like a dream, but the reality involves navigating supplier relationships, managing shipping logistics, and handling customer service. It's a business model that demands attention to detail and a knack for problem solving. Then there's Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, which offers the allure of tapping into Amazon's massive customer base. However, it's not just about listing products and waiting for sales to roll in. You'll need to understand Amazon's fee structure, manage your inventory effectively, and stand out in a competitive marketplace. It's a classic case of balancing ambition with practicality. Now, let's add a personal touch. As a student, I ventured into e-commerce with a mix of excitement and trepidation. My journey began with dropshipping, drawn by the promise of starting a business with minimal upfront investment. There were late nights spent researching products and early mornings dealing with supplier issues. It wasn't always smooth sailing, but each challenge taught me resilience and adaptability. The key takeaway? E-commerce offers a world of opportunities, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, research, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. For those seeking financial freedom for beginners, it's a path worth exploring, but with eyes wide open. In conclusion, whether you're considering dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or another e-commerce venture, remember that success lies in persistence and adaptability. It's about finding the right balance between ambition and practicality, leveraging your unique skills and circumstances to carve out your niche in the digital marketplace. Chapter 3: The reality of e-commerce challenges. Now let's delve deeper into the world of e-commerce, focusing on the challenges and lessons learned along the way. Previously, we explored the allure of starting a business with little capital, highlighting e-commerce as a promising path. Now, let's get real about the hurdles and insights gained from this journey. Starting an e-commerce venture can feel like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. The idea of running an online store from your laptop, especially when you're broke and searching for the best business to start with no money, is undeniably appealing. But as with any adventure, the path is not without its obstacles. Initially, there's a wave of optimism. You envision your online store bustling with activity, orders rolling in, and the sweet sound of notifications signaling new sales. It's the dream of financial freedom for beginners. However, reality soon sets in and the challenges start to emerge. One of the first hurdles is managing logistics, especially with models like dropshipping. While it's a low-cost business idea, coordinating with suppliers, ensuring timely deliveries, and handling customer inquiries can become overwhelming. It's a classic case of entrepreneurship on a budget where every decision counts. Then there's the competition. In the vast e-commerce landscape, standing out requires more than just a good product. You'll need to master marketing, understand SEO, and constantly adapt to changing consumer trends. It's about finding your niche and leveraging your unique skills to carve out a space in the market. Reflecting on my own journey, I started with the same optimism, eager to dive into e-commerce. The initial excitement was palpable, but soon I encountered the typical challenges: supply chain issues, marketing mishaps, and the constant need to innovate. Each obstacle was a lesson in resilience and adaptability. The key takeaway from these experiences is that e-commerce is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands dedication, research, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. But for those willing to put in the effort, it offers a path to financial independence. It's about balancing ambition with practicality and finding creative ways to overcome challenges. In conclusion, whether you're considering dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or another e-commerce venture, remember that success lies in persistence and adaptability. By focusing on what makes your business unique and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate the complexities of e-commerce and build a thriving enterprise, even on a shoestring budget. Chapter 4: Service-based business opportunities. Continuing from our exploration of e-commerce, let's dive into the realm of service-based business opportunities. We've already tackled the challenges of e-commerce, emphasizing resilience and adaptability. Now, let's explore why service-based businesses might be the best business to start with no money, especially if you're a student with big dreams but a tight budget. Service-based businesses are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to fit your skills and interests. They offer the chance to start a business with little capital, making them ideal for entrepreneurship on a budget. Whether it's digital marketing, graphic design, or tutoring, these ventures allow you to leverage your expertise without the need for significant upfront investment. Consider offering social media marketing services. You don't need a fancy office or inventory, just your skills and a laptop. This approach aligns perfectly with the digital age, where an online presence is crucial. Or think about tutoring, where you can share your knowledge and help others succeed, all while earning a steady income. These examples highlight the adaptability and potential of service-based businesses. The beauty of these ventures lies in their scalability. As your client base grows, so does your business. You can expand your services, hire additional help, or even branch out into related fields. This adaptability is what makes service-based businesses a pathway to financial freedom for beginners. The advantages over traditional models are clear. Service-based businesses offer flexibility, low startup costs, and the opportunity to build meaningful relationships with clients. They provide a practical and rewarding path for aspiring entrepreneurs, allowing you to turn your skills into a profitable venture. In conclusion, service-based businesses offer a practical and rewarding path for aspiring entrepreneurs. They provide the opportunity to turn your skills into a profitable venture without the need for significant upfront investment. By focusing on what you do best and delivering exceptional service, you can build a thriving business that not only meets your financial goals, but also provides personal fulfillment. Chapter 5: Starting a Social Media Marketing Agency. Continuing from our exploration of e-commerce and service-based businesses, let's dive into the exciting world of starting a social media marketing agency. This venture stands out as one of the best businesses to start with no money, especially for those who are broke but ambitious. Building on the adaptability and skill leveraging themes from previous discussions, a social media marketing agency offers a dynamic and rewarding path. Social media marketing is a field where creativity meets strategy, making it an ideal, low-cost business idea. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can start a business with little capital, offering services like content creation, strategy development, and analytics. This is entrepreneurship on a budget, allowing you to tap into a vast market without hefty upfront costs. The initial setup involves building a strong online presence, showcase your expertise through engaging content and case studies, and network with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook are your playgrounds, where you can demonstrate your skills and attract businesses looking to enhance their digital footprint. Once you're set up, the operational steps are straightforward. Identify your niche, develop a portfolio, and reach out to potential clients. Offer free consultations to build relationships and trust. As you gain experience, refine your strategies and expand your offerings to include services like paid advertising and influencer partnerships. The long-term benefits of starting a social media marketing agency are substantial. You'll gain valuable skills in digital marketing, communication, and business management. Plus, the demand for social media expertise continues to grow, providing opportunities for financial freedom for beginners. Reflecting on this journey, it's clear that starting a social media marketing agency offers a unique blend of creativity and strategy. It's about turning your passion for social media into a profitable venture, all while helping businesses connect with their audiences in meaningful ways. In conclusion, whether you're a student or a budding entrepreneur, starting a social media marketing agency is a viable path to success. By leveraging your skills and embracing the digital landscape, you can build a business that not only meets your financial goals, but also provides personal fulfillment. As we wrap up this journey through the best businesses to start if you're broke, let's take a moment to reflect on the possibilities that lie ahead. We've explored everything from the challenges of e-commerce to the versatility of service-based businesses, and finally, the dynamic world of social media marketing. Each path offers unique opportunities for those ready to embrace entrepreneurship on a budget. Remember, the key to success isn't just about finding the right business model, it's about leveraging your skills, staying adaptable, and being willing to learn from every experience. Whether you're crafting a brand strategy from your dorm room or managing a digital storefront, the potential for financial freedom is within your reach. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. What unique skill or passion do you have that could be transformed into a thriving business, even with limited resources? This is your chance to turn your dreams into reality, to create something meaningful that aligns with your goals and values. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of low-cost business ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be on the same journey. Let's continue to support each other as we navigate the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking those small, impactful steps toward your future.